Hi, I just want to give you a quick live look of this desktop CD player. Works pretty good. It's Bluetooth too, and you get the FM. And I never played CDs in a while, and glad I came across this because I don't know, somewhere I plan on putting this where I do dishes, or I think the radio belong there good. You don't need overly loud music there, but yeah, this is just mine for when I just want to relax. I have a little bit louder speakers and stuff, but this is pretty awesome. I can use this for CD because my other ones are all just Bluetooth. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick live look, and this is easy to set up and yeah, make a great gift ideal, and I definitely see the value, you know what I mean? It may not be the loudest, but you know what I mean? Still okay. Anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or great evening, and thanks for watching my video view. I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm just in my camper. It's my heater making my phone go all weird right now. But anyway, wherever you're watching from, have a great morning or a great evening.
So Henry, he begins tracing those illustrations in black.
It has very good sound. It works really well. Remote's a nice asset. Don't have to get up. It's cute. You can tuck it away somewhere. Doesn't take up a lot of room. I saw my friend the other day, and I know exactly just what he became. Just a show, it was a long ago.
Made up your mind, it was time it was over, after we had come so far.